welcome to my channel. Yeah, welcome. If you are new on this channel, welcome. I changed my hair color today. Yeah, I did. To those of you that watched my previous video, you would have understood what I mean by changing my hair color. But I think I look more beautiful on this. So guys, today we'll be learning how to do a simple everyday makeup. How to do a simple everyday makeup look. That is what we'll be focusing on today. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, the first thing to do is to ensure you have a clean face before applying anything on your face. I am using a makeup remover and a wipes to clean my face first before applying my moisturizer. That is the first stage before anything is being placed on your face. You then apply your moisturizer. That is what I am doing right now. I am applying my moisturizer on my face. Then you move to primer. Before applying your primer over here, ensure you wait a while to allow your moisturizer to sink in. Into your skin before doing your primer. So the third stage is to apply your primer. After your moisturizer, then you apply your primer. You apply that all over your face and ensure it touches the corners of your eyes, every corners that you're gonna place your foundation. Guys, I am so used to drawing my eyebrows after my foundation is being done, but because I want this video to be beginners friendly, I'll be doing my eyebrows first before my foundation. But basically the skin prep has already been done, which is the moisturizer and the primer. That has been done. I will just go ahead and draw my eyebrows. Okay, yeah, I already drew my eyebrows over here. The next thing is to use your concealer and your angle brush to clean your eyebrow. This stage is called highlighting. You highlight your eyebrows. That is what I'll be doing now. So now I am using a blending brush to blend out my concealer, to blend it into my skin. Over here, I'll be using my powder shade to set in the concealer with my blending brush. That is what I'll be doing here. I am applying a setting spray here to hold the initially done skin prep before putting my foundation. So guys, it is time for the main. Did I just say the main? Yeah, I'll be applying my foundation now with a foundation brush on my face. That is what I'll be doing now. That is my foundation brush. Then ensure you use your skin color, your skin tone, the foundation that matches your skin. That is what you'll be using. Ensure you are using that, please. So now watch how I apply my foundation on my face using a foundation brush. So guys, it is time to highlight your under eyes. I'll be using a concealer a bit lighter to my foundation. That is what I'll be doing now, guys. I was trying to write the letter on my forehead, but I think my camera fucked up by showing the other side of it. Guess the letter I was trying to write and put it on the comment section. Let me see if you know. Okay, I'll be using a beauty blender to blend it in, to blend the concealer in into the skin. Over here, I am using a powder to set in the concealer before putting my setting powder. It is time to bake. Let's bake it out. Let's put this setting powder on it. I'll be using a darker shade of powder to contour my nose. I'm using a darker shade of powder to contour my side cheeks. That is what I'll be doing. Underneath where I highlighted using my setting powder. Yeah guys, it's time to do the eyeshadow. I am using an eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. Then I'll be using a matte eyeshadow. After this is done, I'll be using a matte eyeshadow on it. Right now the eyes has been done. I'll be using my powder shade to blend out the setting powder. Okay, over here I'll be putting the bronzer I used on my cheeks. I'll be putting that on my tear duct to pop out the eyes. That is what I am doing right now. Okay, it's time to do the lip application. I am using a pencil to line my lip. Let's not forget it's an everyday makeup, so I'll be doing a nude lip. Yeah, I'll be blending out the whole makeup using a powder brush to blend out everything to have a smooth looking face. Okay guys, it's time to set and lock your makeup using a setting spray. Let's give it a nourishing look. Did I just say a nourishing look? Yeah, that is the effect a setting spray gives to your makeup. It erases that powdery effect on your face. And here is the feeling you have knowing fully well that you can do your makeup all alone yourself. Please guys, if you watch this video till the end, please thumbs up, like the video, and comment under the comment section saying you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell to see more of my videos coming up. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye and see you next time.